Hi guys, welcome to Gyan. My name is Prakhar. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to host our website on GitHub. So here's a random website that I've created. Okay, so this is not this is just a portfolio. So if you click on resume is there, the resume will be downloaded. You can see the resume has been downloaded. And similarly, if you click on GitHub, my GitHub page will be opened. And there are a couple of sections are there: home, experience, skills, and project sections are there. I will show you how to create this website on in the next tutorial, and we will create a responsive website as well. Okay, so please bear with me and let's host this website on internet. Okay, so I have already created the folder of this website, and then what I will go to the GitHub. Okay, and here I will go to the repositories, and I will create a new repository and something I write as testing. Okay, and then I will go to the create repository, and in the create repository there is an option of uploading an existing file. So when you click this, choose your files, and you have to go to the portfolio like here. Okay, so this is a portfolio that I have created. In this I will select everything, and uh, I will upload that. So once it gets uploaded, I will get back to you. Okay, and then I have to write some comments. You can leave it as well. So like comment changes. Okay, and then if you click on commit changes, it will take some time to process the files, and we'll wait for a couple of seconds for the files to be processed. Yeah, so files has been processed, and once every files are there, you have to go to the settings, and the settings you have to go to the pages, and once you came to the pages, in the branches you have to select your main branch, and then you have to click on save. Okay, so once you click on save, it will take a couple of minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, to like host our website, and we have to keep refreshing this website uh, of GitHub. So we have to wait until the website gets hosted. So once this gets hosted, I will come back to you. Yeah, so you can see that the website has been hosted. If you click on the new link, congratulations, your website has been created and it has everything there. Okay, so in the next tutorial, we are going to learn how to create this website. Please stay tuned. Please like and subscribe my channel, and please share with all your friends so that they can also know how to host your website. It's very easy. Okay.